Chemical manufacturing is an extremely competitive and thriving industry in the UK, catering for a diverse range of products and markets, ranging from medicines to adhesives, from skincare to paints. Croda is one of our leading global manufacturers, focusing on functional molecules for specialty chemicals. With a growing market for its products, Croda is looking into various options to increase production capacity. Traditional batch manufacturing methods can be costly to expand, whereas flow chemistry offers a compact, efficient and effective approach by utilizing the advantages of a continuous process. Flow chemistry allows Croda to increase its productivity without needing significant extra infrastructure or space, because the equipment can be integrated within existing manufacturing facilities. Laboratory-scale tests at CPI identified NiTech Solutions' patented Continuous Oscillatory Baffled Reactor (COBR) technology as the best solution for industrial-scale production. Pilot-scale trials at Croda demonstrated process sustainability and flexibility improvements without impacting product quality. This advanced method successfully accomplishes Croda's goals and positions the UK as a global leader in the use of flow chemistry technology.